Hey everyone, welcome to one of the most important videos I have ever made on my channel. If you are learning English, let me ask you something. Have you realized that if you are reading something page after page after page, and in the end you realize that you don't remember anything, you have forgotten everything? If you did realize that, let me tell you that this video is for you. Because in this video I am going to teach you how to retain what you read for as long as you want. So I am going to teach you one formula, only one formula. If you apply that formula to your reading, you are going to remember everything that you read. But before I tell you that one formula, let me tell you how our mind works. Let's understand how our mind works. First of all, let me tell you that our mind does not work in words. Our mind works in images. The problem, one of the biggest problems that you are creating while you are looking at the words when you are reading is you are only looking at the individual words. Once you know that our mind works in images, why not create images while reading? Because it's very easier for our mind to remember images rather than remembering the words. So what you have to do is, let's take an example. For instance, when I say a word to you, mango, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Word mango or mango picture in your mind? I am very sure that mango picture comes to your mind. That's exactly how our mind works. When I say apple, you don't think about the words like apple. You think about an apple, red apple, yellow apple. Okay? So our mind works in images. So while you are reading books, as you go through the sentences, I want you to create image in your mind, because that imagination is going to stay in your mind longer, and that's how you remember things. In my case, I also used to forget everything that I used to read. I used to forget almost everything that I used to read. And one day I was reading, and one of my friends, not friend, but yeah, there was someone close to me who talked to me about this, like why I was forgetting everything that I was reading. And he talked about it, and he said that while you read any book, you have to create images in your mind related to the sentences. And in order for you to do that, you must have to have a very strong vocabulary. You must have to know every word's meaning. So if you are forgetting everything that you are reading, chances are that you don't have that a strong vocabulary. You must work on your vocabulary. You must know every word's meaning. That's how you are going to understand what you are reading. That's how you are going to create images in your mind once you know the meaning of those words that you are reading. So after knowing about this trick, what I do is now I create images in my mind as I go through the sentences. I create kind of a mental picture in my mind that I can remember for as long as I want. When you just read words, you don't have anything to remember. Like our mind, as you know, does not work in words, it works in images. So in order for your mind to grab the things that you are reading, it has to have images related to the things that you want your mind to remember. So here is what you should be doing every single day. If you are reading something, try to create images. If you are not able to create images in your mind, the chances are that you don't have that strong foundation in vocabulary, means you don't have a strong vocabulary. In order for you to build your vocabulary, you must have to read and read and read. That's also going to create your strong vocabulary, means reading itself is going to create a strong, but that is going to take time. Okay, you have to be patient with that. And once you are able to create images, what you have to do is you have to create mental picture while you go through sentence by sentence, and that's how you are going to remember everything. This is my promise. This is what I used to do, and that is why now I never forget what I read. Now give me any book and I can read and never forget the things that I am reading. Okay, so this is what your task is. So if you found this video to be helpful for you, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to make more videos. Bye bye.